Preeti Knit Composite Industrial Park will be developed with Go Green concept. It would have about 1.3 meter square feet of constructed area to accommodate a complete vertical setup including yarn dyeing, knitting, fabrics dyeing, printing, embroidering, washing, stitching and finishing. We will have a capacity of 45 tons per day and will produce the finest quality, high-end superior fabrics by installing the 70 numbers of world champion Fukuhara circular knitting machines from Japan, Thies Eye Master fabric dyeing machines from Germany, Bianco slitting machines from Italy, Bruckner Stenter from Germany, and Compactor Laffer and Ferraro from Italy. Its printing division will have state-of-the-art printing technologies including chest and all-over printing. Its embroidery division will be furnished with world's best embroidery machine, Tajima from Japan. And for garmenting, we will have Juki and Brothers sewing machines from Japan, Bulmar cutting from Germany and Viet finishing from Germany. We will have 50 tons per day capacities yarn dyeing plant within the compound to dye all kinds of yarns. Major machineries included SSM winding from Switzerland, Det Inspa hydro extractor from Italy and Strayfield RF dryer from UK. About 6,000 people will be employed in Preeti Knit Composite to produce over 4 million pieces knitwear per month. Preeti will have inbound and outbound facilities. We will also have our in-house captive power generation system to cater to our own requirements. To conform to the eco-sustainability, the project will have a 400 cubic meter per hour capacity biological ETP, which is the largest in the country. This ETP is of the most contemporary technology to treat effluents. Biological treatment for reduction of BOD, COD alongside ultrafiltration will be implemented for zero discharge system. This green project will be ideally poised with adequate open space for fresh air, water cascade and rainwater storage and use, solid waste and wastewater managing, as well as recycling and reusing, reduction of carbon emission, use of efficient and renewable energy, and use of heat-resistant as well as carbon emission-free building materials are a few of the major features of this green project. Not the least, it will be fully compliant in order to be an ideal working environment accepted globally and locally. Firefighting preparation will also be as desired by the local and international provisions applicable. Yes, Preeti promises a better tomorrow of all, by all and for all.